Hello everyone and welcome to Aviation A to Z. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who cleared the respective module this session. There is lots of worst thing going in Indian aviation with examinations, airlines, and not only in India but world's aviation. Due to few accidents, airline ceasing its operation recently, and it is our responsibility that we must learn and understand our subject. Don't just focus on clearing examination but focus on acquiring the knowledge, because knowledge stays with you and not the marks. So let's start with the tips and tricks for Module 6. Module 6 is about material and hardware. Now, why to study material and hardware? We as a technician and engineer must know that what material is our fasteners are made up of, how to deal with corrosion, how to handle composite material, and many more answers are cleared if we study Module 6. So let's get started. Module 6 is of 72 marks for B1 and 60 marks for B2 guys. But there is no much difference in the syllabus. Whatever I will be discussing will be similar for both B1 category and B2 category guys. Now, first question is where to study all this. So let's discuss about the reference books. 6.1 is about the ferrous material and testing. FAR 9A Anti-Tethered is the best book to refer it. 6.2 is about non-ferrous material and FAR 9A is sufficient. 6.3 contains composite and the YASA textbook and especially CIP is for the fabric covering. Then we have 6.4 which is about corrosion, YASA textbook, FAR 9A and CIP 1. Recently, YASA textbook is a favorite of DGCA. 6.5 is a fastener and FAR 9A is the best book to refer. Then we have 6.6 which is about the pipes and unions. FAR 9A and Lalit Gupta Aircraft General Engineering is the book to refer. 6.7 springs. YASA textbook is sufficient for studying springs. Then we have 6.8 bearings. CIP 1 and Lalit Gupta Aircraft General Engineering is also important. 6.9 Transmission, CIP 1 and Shop Theory are the best book to refer. We have 6.10 Control Cables. YASA textbook is sufficient. Last but not least, 6.11 Electrical Cable and Connector. Lalit Gupta Aircraft General Engineering YASA textbook FAR 15 Volume 1 Chapter 9 from Electrical Cables is very much important. For extra information, refer Yasmin as well. Now, as you know what topic is to be studied from which books, let's move on to how to study Module 6. Module 6 is not a piece of cake and not a mountain. It is a little lengthy, but if we plan and execute it well, we will clear it with sufficient knowledge. So first of all, don't study according to submodule, but according to book. Study complete FAR 9A, Chapter 5, 6 and 7. Then try to solve the questions which you can from this topic. Then study YASA textbook completely and you will be able to solve about 80% questions. Then study rest of books according to which I described earlier. And watch this video till end to know a little secrets which I will tell at the end. Moving on to the topic wise marks distribution. As you can see, 6.1 contains 12 to 14 marks. Then we have accordingly other submodule marks. So by looking at it, you will know that ferrous material, composites and fastener are the core questions for DGCA. Rest all are important to clear Module 6. So, according to the marks distribution, we now know which topics are more important and critical to study. And also by having a view through this, we know that FAR 9A, YASA textbook and CIP 1 are the core books. And if you read this according to what I told you, you all will have not only knowledge but also an understanding of each and everything. Also, one more important thing, I have seen many people just think that DGCA puts repeated questions. So if I read previous year questions papers, I can clear the module. But it is not always true. You need to study and remember each and everything for your betterment and ultimately for our aviation. Your little steps to learning can lead to a better aviation benchmark, and at international level, our country must represent its worth. Also, I wanted to tell you a little trick. Just go through a couple of previous session papers before starting actual preparation and then start studying it. it will benefit you in the way that question was asked from here. So this paragraph is important, that paragraph is important, and you will think maturely. Another thing, as I said already, solve questions of topics. After studying respective submodule, tell your instructor, friends to ask you question on that topic. I don't know whether you like group discussion or not. I am not talking about group study but about discussion. Mod 6 and other modules which are considered as tough, but when you have a positive group of students posting questions, competition between each others will help you a lot. In my group of friends, almost passing percentage is 90% and above. All my friends and I have almost same number of modules because we discuss everything together, and believe me, it's very much helpful in the long term. So, what are you waiting for? Make a group, have a good and positive students who are willing to join it. Also, I am making an official Module 6 group. Join it through link which is in description, but remember, you all must share and discuss positively and honestly. Now, as I said, I am going to tell you a secret about Mod 6. So here it is. Questions like file test, silicon carbide and others which many people don't know where it comes from. So I have made a complete notes on Module 6, a complete and best package for Module 6 revision, and also a special guidance for more tips and tricks. What else to study apart from this, which page is most important, which topic from other book is important, and much more. Message me on the number given here and you can also have it. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, share this to your friends and colleagues to let them have a knowledge about Mod 6. Give us a like, and that's it for today. Finally, thanks for watching.